One-way switch. Two-way switch. 2-pin socket. 5-pin socket. 2-pin plug top. 3-pin plug top. Batten holder. Angle batten holder. Pendant holder. Calling bell switch. Fan regulator. Bed switch. Kit Kat fuse. Switchboard indicator. Switchboard. Power board. Extension board. 4-way crossbox. 3-way T-box. 2-way through box. 2-way angle box. Casing capping. Concealed metal box. T. Elbow. Coupler. Rechargeable LED bulb. LED bulb. Night bulb. Ceiling rose. Screw. Screw anchor. Screwdriver. Saddle clamp. Double nail saddle clamp. Junction linker. Internal bend. External bend. Conduit pipe. Junction box. Conduit bend. Conduit Tee. Conduit elbow. Conduit coupler. Conduit saddle. Flexible conduit pipe. Mini hacksaw. Combination plier. Wire cutter. Line tester. Insulation tape. Electronic choke. Fluorescent tube light. Tube light holder. DP switch. Double pole MCB. Main switch. Earthing plate. Lightning arrestor. Earthing rod.